Hey everybody, High Tech Hillbilly here. So, I don't even know what day it is. It was 21, 22, 23, 24, day 25. Today is day 25. Um, as you can hear, my voice is coming back, and I've got a little bit more spunk in me. Um, I think one of the things that we figured out was with this whole sickness thing and the energy zapping. Once you start to recover a little bit, what we found is that it's important to push yourself beyond is that zapping. So if you're walking across the house or walking up the driveway or I don't know, playing with your dog, I don't know, just and then you get zapped. Because what happens is you just end up you're doing something, and then you just you have no energy, zero. You just have to push a little bit farther and do that often. Now, some days, this recovery's been like this, and so some days you just can't push. But when you can, you should. And it really, I don't know, it does something. It helps. It's helped me recover better. It's helped my wife recover better. And I still get zapped pretty hard, but I can at least function now. And we took a couple of walks down the driveway. Our driveway is about 800 feet long, and it's on a hill, so it's sloped. And after those walks, just completely zapped. But I'm feeling much better. My wife is out and about, and the recovery is starting to happen. Anyway, this will probably be my last video on this. I'm not 100% sure, but the way things are looking right now, we're finally starting to get over this. The doctor said it's going to take about 2 more months. Where did that come from? I don't know, but I sure hope it's not going to take 2 more months to recover from this. Well, anyway, thank you all for checking in on us. We appreciate it. And we'll get back to more important things from now on. Anyway, thank you, Father, and thank you all. And this is High Tech Hillbilly out.